Guys, guess who that? No, that's not my dog. Who is the snoring? No one's there. No one's there. What if we go up here? We look down and find this little kid. Yes, of course, he's not my dog. He's only here for 2 weeks, you know. He's 1 year older than my dog. My other dog. Well, he's not really my dog. His name is Venom. He's super cute, look. He's 3 years old right now. Venom. Venom. And he's very tired since like a 5-hour trip or something like that. He really likes hugs. And my other dog got surgery. Well, my dog got surgery. He's downstairs right now. Yep, here's Venom. And he snores so loud. He can probably wake up the entire neighborhood. And if you go beside him, come on. Who wants some hugs? Who wants some hugs? Of course you want hugs. You're the only one who wants hugs. Did you subscribe to Smiley? Of course you did. Of course you did, because you're cool, man. Anyway. Look how it snores, man. Are you that one dog from the neighborhood that snores so loud? Anyways, yeah. But bro, look how small he is. Come on, get on if you want. My dog as well does it. Oh, you want hugs? Sure. You think it's like close to you? You know, it's like grab your foot. That doesn't let go. Of course, bro. Of course. Look. Grab my foot again. You little doggy. Look at your little tail. Anyways, yeah, that's it for the video. Who's snoring this loud? Of course, look. Of course, you have to hear it. Anyways, yeah. Boom. He's a cute guy, you know. You're the best friend. My dad is all the best. You guys are great friends. Anyways. Bye.